Hey everyone, Roger here with NiSi Optics, and today we're going to be talking about the new JetMag Pro magnetic filter system. We're going to be talking about the landscape kit in particular, but every kit comes with the Caddy 2 pouch. The landscape kit comes with a CPL, a 3-stop, a 6-stop, a 10-stop, 4 adapter rings, and 2 filter caps. Now the filter caps allow you to protect what's on your camera as well as protect your stack inside your camera bag. And so we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at these filters. So now we're going to attach it to the Fuji GFX 100 camera, and to do that we're going to take one of the adapter rings. This is a 77mm filter thread for the Athena lenses. We go ahead and attach this. Get it nice and snug on there, and you'll notice that it has this white line on both ends of the adapter. That is what indicates when the filters are locked into place. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this stack of filters here, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach all of them. So now they're all attached, but notice if I want to take off just one filter, most likely a few are going to come off, if not all of them. So to avoid that, we go ahead and line up these tabs with that white marking, and now the entire system is completely locked. And it's strong enough to withstand the weight of the entire camera and lens. So this is a really cool, revolutionary way of using magnetic filter systems. And quite frankly, it's going to make shooting really, really easy. Because if you just want to take off the lens cap in this case, you hold the tabs, you spin the front, and then it comes off. And then you still have your filters attached. If you want to take off 2 filters from the stack, you go ahead and hold the filters that you want in the stack to remain. You twist the 2 that you don't, and you go ahead and pull off. And it's that simple. And again, it's a super strong and sturdy magnetic filter system that videographers, photographers, content creators in general are going to have a great time using, and it's very versatile, very easy to use. The next thing that I want to bring out is that these are full spectrum ND filters. So they're part of our next generation of full spectrum neutral density filters. And basically what that means is you're going to get even colors across the visible and non-visible spectrum of light. And that's going to give you very, very accurate colors. And it actually comes in really handy when you're shooting with cameras like Red or Blackmagic that don't have a IR filter on them, and you tend to get some color pollution or IR pollution, especially in the blacks. So these filters are going to resolve that issue. The JetMag Pro filters are ultra thin, and these give you little to no vignetting. On our test, we did a Canon 15-35 with 2 filters stacked. You get no vignetting on the 50mm focal length. However, this does vary from lens to lens, so do keep that in mind. The JetMag Pro is a great addition to any creator's kit, and we can't wait to get these into your hands. Thanks for watching.